Hi everyone, today we are going to make an Odia famous recipe. It's known as dalma. So let's have a look how we will make it. So for this I have cut potato, pumpkin, papaya, brinjal, spinach, and I have taken one tomato also. I have washed all the vegetables and I have taken 1 cup of arhar dal. So I will take a kadai, I will just heat it and put all the vegetables into it. After that I will put that dal into it. I will also boil the tomato with all the vegetables and dal. After that I will add 1.5 cup of water into it. I will mix all the vegetables and dal with water. After which I will add salt and turmeric powder into this. I will take 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Actually in Odisha we use our hand as a spoon, so don't mind. I'll let it boil. And for masala I have finally grated the ginger. I have taken curry leaf. I have taken panch foran and I have taken cumin seed. The dal and vegetable has almost boiled. So I will transfer it into another bowl. So in that same pan I will take 2 spoon of ghee. I will let it heat for some time. After that I will add that cumin seed and panch foran into it. I have added 2 dry red chili powder, 2 dry red chili. I will break it into 2 pieces and I will put it in that hot oil. After that I will add that finely chopped that grated ginger into it. I will fry it for just 1 minute. After that I will add that curry leaves into it. After that I will add that boiled tomato into it. I'll just smash it properly. It will take very less time to cook as it is already boiled, and its will also come different. I'll add a little bit of water into it and I'll mix it properly. I'll let it cook for 2 minutes. After that I will add the boiled dal and vegetables into it. It's a very simple recipe and it's very healthy also. You can eat this with chapati, rice, paratha, anything. So now it's ready, so I will add the boiled vegetables and dal into it and I'll mix it properly, and finally I will add little bit of cumin powder into it. So in the high flame I'll let it boil for 5 minutes. If you want to make it little bit thin, you can add more water into it, but I prefer it like this, not very thin. So now our dalma is ready, so you can eat it. So make this recipe and share your experience with me. I hope you will really enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Cooking is easy with Devi.